So you and I were talking, and one of the things you mentioned, I think you said it was like in 2008, 2009, the market, you really had your choice as a buyer, right? There was more leverage on the buy side. So you had plenty of time to, talk to the lender and get your documents over and go ahead and make an offer. But now all the leverage is on the seller side. So one of the things that I'm speaking to my clients about is not just doing a pre-approval, but going above that and doing a pre-underwrite, right? Where we actually will work with the buyer, we'll gather all their documentation, I'll send it to my processing team, and then from there, I will actually get it into the underwriter's hands. And from that standpoint, once it's out of underwriting, that's a conditional loan approval, right? So we're halfway through the loan process. So are you doing that for any of your clients?
I think that's an important key to getting a property and getting a seller to accept your offer. Having that pre-underwritten approval letter from Ron and his team would be an excellent way to have your offer really looked at and considered by the seller, because that's not always the case with most other buyers. They haven't done that. They've gotten a pre-qualification letter, and that's not a very in-depth process at all. And so the seller would certainly lean towards an offer that has gone through this process, and they'll feel more comfortable accepting that offer based on the criteria that Ron and his team are using to get to that underwritten offer letter.